we are going to try and get this little end piece off of this key, which we cannot seem to get off because we have the piece to attach to it, but we just can't get this off.
Right.
And we have some lovely comments on our channel.
Including this one, right?
Use some WD-40.
Which we have right here.
Yes, which we have. That's what I did. A small plier. It should unscrew the screw. We have small pliers here.
We've already unscrewed the screw.
We've already unscrewed the screw, but we're
as
just...
shown in previous episodes. All right. WD-40 that baby on the towel, front and back. All right.
Okay.
And even from the top. Why not? Right from the top.
Yeah, why not? Oh, sorry, honey.
Yeah, I figured that was going to happen. All right. I think we let it sit. We're going to let it sit for how long?
A minute.
There you go, a minute. Hold on. We're back. The WD-40 has been applied. It's been a minute. Go for it.
Now we're going to try and take this plastic piece off with these small pliers. Let's see if my muscles can pull this off. Well,
don't break the key.
Don't want to break the key, but you know, here, maybe if I go like this. It's not any more loose. Oh, oh, oh.
What?
Wait.
What?
Wait. I think.
Remember, there's one plastic piece that wants to stay on there, right?
Mm-hmm.
No?
I felt like it moved a little bit. Hold on. It's too slippery now.
All right. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to let that WD-40 rest a little bit longer.
Okay.
And then come back and see if we're any closer. Give it one final attempt. One more time, with feeling.
One more time.
All right, then 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Let's give this a shot again. Let's see if it'll work. I'm just pulling and pulling and pulling. Nope. Maybe if you did it.
Another person said that we should just take it into Lexus and pay the $100. You know what? Pretty reasonable.
It is reasonable, but I mean, this makes a cool video, right?
No, it's another fail. What should people do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.